Welcome to the Skilled MBA study series on curcumin production and market trends in India. As the world's largest producer of curcumin, India plays a crucial role in this thriving industry. The spice, commonly known as turmeric, has been cultivated for centuries and holds immense cultural, economic, and medicinal significance. In this session, we will explore curcumin production volumes, its impact on the Indian economy, export trends, pricing fluctuations, and key challenges and opportunities that shape the industry. Curcumin production in India is concentrated in specific states, each contributing significantly to the country's total output. Maharashtra leads the way, producing over 325,000 metric tons in FY 2024, followed closely by Karnataka and Telangana. The favorable climatic conditions and expertise of local farmers in these regions have enabled India to dominate global curcumin supply. Beyond these top producers, other states such as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha also contribute to overall production, ensuring a steady supply for both domestic consumption and exports. Curcumin, derived from turmeric, has gained immense popularity due to its potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. As a result, the demand for curcumin has increased both in international markets and within India, leading to investments in better cultivation practices and technologies. Farmers are adopting modern techniques to enhance yield and quality, making the curcumin industry a vital component of India's agricultural landscape. The government is also supporting this growth with initiatives aimed at boosting research and development in curcumin-related products. With a focus on sustainability, Indian farmers are looking to maintain quality while ensuring environmental protection through organic farming practices. The future of curcumin production in India seems bright, as it continues to expand both in scope and opportunity for local farmers. Curcumin, often referred to as Indian saffron, has been widely recognized for its medicinal properties. It is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory agents, helping to reduce chronic inflammation associated with diseases like arthritis, cardiovascular issues, and even certain cancers. Additionally, curcumin is known for its exceptional wound healing abilities, accelerating recovery from cuts, burns, and injuries. As a powerful antioxidant, it neutralizes harmful free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage. These remarkable health benefits drive its high demand across pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and wellness industries worldwide. India holds the #1 position in global curcumin exports, supplying over $225 million worth of curcumin in 2020 alone. This sector contributes an impressive ₹43 billion to the Indian economy. The growing popularity of natural and plant-based health products has further strengthened India's export market. Major importing countries include the United States, Germany, Japan, and China, where curcumin is used extensively in supplements, cosmetics, and functional foods. The steady rise in international demand positions India as the undisputed leader in curcumin trade, paving the way for greater economic opportunities. Curcumin production follows a well-defined seasonal cycle deeply influenced by monsoon patterns. Planting begins during the monsoon season from June to August, ensuring optimal soil moisture for growth. Farmers prepare the land, enriching the soil with organic fertilizers to enhance fertility before sowing the seeds. The crop then undergoes a 6 to 8 month growth phase, from September to February, requiring minimal irrigation. During this time, farmers must monitor the plants for pests and diseases, using eco-friendly practices to maintain the health and quality of the harvest. Harvesting takes place during March and April, with farmers carefully extracting the rhizomes at peak maturity. The careful timing of the harvest is crucial, as it directly impacts the curcumin content and quality of the rhizomes. The arrival of harvested produce in the market during this period significantly impacts supply and pricing trends. Market demand typically surges around this time due to increased interest from pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries for natural curcumin products. Understanding these seasonal cycles is essential for effective inventory management and price forecasting, allowing farmers and traders to optimize their operations and maximize profits. Curcumin prices in India have experienced a gradual yet steady rise. In FY 2019, prices stood at Rs. 105 per kilogram, increasing to Rs. 118 in FY 2021 and further reaching Rs. 122 in FY 2022. This price trend is influenced by factors such as domestic demand, export volumes, climatic conditions affecting harvest yield, and global market dynamics. Chennai, being one of India's major trading hubs, reflects these price movements closely, serving as a key indicator of national pricing trends. The retail price index for curcumin powder has shown a sharp upward trajectory. In December 2021, the index stood at 115, increasing to 148 by December 2024. This rise reflects inflation, currency fluctuations, production costs, and evolving market demand. Higher prices are largely driven by increasing consumer preference for organic and high-purity curcumin products. As consumers become more health-conscious, the demand for natural supplements like curcumin has surged. Curcumin is recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it popular among those seeking alternative health solutions. With a growing body of research supporting its benefits, more people are incorporating curcumin into their diets. Additionally, as more companies invest in organic farming practices and quality assurance, the costs associated with producing high-grade curcumin have also risen. This includes better farming techniques, sustainable harvesting practices, and rigorous testing for purity. As curcumin continues to be an essential ingredient in multiple industries, including food, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals, monitoring its retail price index helps in understanding larger market trends and preparing for future price shifts. Industry forecasts suggest that the market will continue to expand, along with interest in natural and holistic health trends. The retail price index serves as a crucial economic tool in tracking price movements of essential commodities like curcumin. Published monthly by national statistical agencies, it provides insights into inflationary trends and shifts in consumer spending behavior. The index is based on a representative sample of retail prices, ensuring accurate cost tracking across various regions. By analyzing retail price changes, businesses and policymakers can make informed decisions regarding trade regulations, subsidies, and pricing strategies. Several factors directly influence curcumin prices. Global demand fluctuations impact export revenues, while unpredictable monsoon patterns can significantly affect crop yields. This is crucial since curcumin is primarily sourced from turmeric, which requires specific climatic conditions to thrive. Production volumes vary depending on soil fertility, weather conditions, and government support for farmers. In addition, limited storage capacity results in post-harvest losses, affecting supply chain efficiency. Farmers may face challenges in maintaining quality during storage, leading to reduced market prices. Also, rising interest in natural health products is creating new opportunities for curcumin. As consumers increasingly seek alternatives to synthetic ingredients, the demand for curcumin is expected to grow. Understanding these pricing factors enables traders, producers, and policymakers to devise strategies for stabilizing the market. By securing better storage solutions and improving transportation methods, stakeholders can ensure a consistent supply and potentially stabilize prices. Overall, a holistic approach is needed to address the various challenges that impact curcumin pricing. Successful curcumin cultivation requires meticulous agricultural practices. Farmers prepare well-drained, loamy soil enriched with organic matter to enhance crop yield. Moderate irrigation is maintained during growth, ensuring optimal moisture without waterlogging. Warm, humid conditions with temperatures ranging between 20–30 degrees Celsius create the best environment for rhizome development. Traditional knowledge, combined with modern farming techniques, plays a vital role in sustaining curcumin's high quality and production efficiency. Curcumin undergoes a rigorous processing cycle to retain its medicinal properties and improve shelf life. Freshly harvested rhizomes are first boiled to enhance their color and break down raw fibers. They are then sun-dried for 10 to 15 days before undergoing polishing and grinding to obtain the fine curcumin powder. These traditional processing methods, passed down through generations, ensure the spice meets international quality standards. Curcumin's versatility extends far beyond its culinary applications. In Ayurvedic medicine, it has been used for centuries to treat ailments such as digestive disorders, respiratory conditions, and skin diseases. The cosmetics industry benefits from curcumin's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, incorporating it into face masks, creams, and other skincare products. As a natural textile dye, curcumin provides vibrant yellow and orange hues to fabrics, ensuring sustainable and eco-friendly coloration. Additionally, it plays a significant role in religious and cultural ceremonies, symbolizing purity and prosperity in Hindu traditions. The wide-ranging uses of curcumin contribute to its sustained global demand and growing economic value. Despite its immense economic potential, the curcumin industry faces several challenges. Climate variability, including unseasonal rainfall and droughts, affects crop yields. Pests and diseases such as rhizome rot and leaf spot threaten productivity. Inadequate storage facilities result in post-harvest losses, while price volatility creates financial uncertainty for farmers. Addressing these challenges through technological advancements and government support can help stabilize the industry. India's curcumin industry holds enormous growth potential. Curcumin, the active component of turmeric, is gaining popularity worldwide for its health benefits. As consumers become more health conscious, the demand for natural supplements is on the rise. Certification for organic curcumin can fetch premium prices in international markets, attracting both producers and investors. Expanding into value-added products such as curcumin extracts, cosmetics, supplements, and medicinal formulations can significantly boost revenue. This shift not only meets market demand, but also creates job opportunities in rural areas where turmeric is traditionally cultivated. Securing geographic indication tags for curcumin-producing regions will protect traditional production methods and strengthen India's global market presence. Such protections ensure that the unique qualities of Indian curcumin are recognized and valued, setting it apart from competitors. Collaborating with research institutions can lead to better extraction methods and product development. This innovation can enhance the efficacy of curcumin-based products, making them more appealing to healthcare professionals and consumers alike. As India positions itself as a leader in the global curcumin market, it can also create a sustainable model for rural development and economic growth. To summarize, Maharashtra leads curcumin production with 325,000 metric tons in FY 2024. The industry contributes $43 billion to India's economy, with exports exceeding $225 million. Retail price indices have seen a sharp increase, reflecting market growth. Lastly, organic certification and value-added products present major opportunities for expansion. Thank you for exploring the world of curcumin production and market trends in India. A deeper understanding of this industry is crucial for stakeholders across agriculture, trade, and global commerce.